Okay, so I've had a few questions about this this question just here, number 3, and so I wanted to go through it just to make sure that people knew what they were talking about. So if we look at this little box here, okay, just this little box, okay, pardon my handwriting, most people will be able to say to me, oh, that fraction is 1 out of 4, okay? The reason why you can do that is you can clearly see the shape is broken up into 4 pieces, and you're saying, okay, the shaded bit is 1 out of the 4 pieces. With this number line here, we're kind of doing the same thing, except instead of being a shape, the pieces are the notches on the number line. So if I count from 6 to 7, I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces, okay? So that means that this dot here, that dot there, is going to be 6 wholes and 1/7, okay? This dot here is going to be 6 wholes and 2/7, okay? That dot there will be 6 wholes and 3/7, okay? Because there's 3/7 along the number line. If I wanted to turn that into an improper fraction, I could say that's equal to 6 times 7 plus 3 over 7. Okay, 6 sevens are 42, 3 plus 42 is 45 over 7. That's another way of looking at it. Okay, so this B is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's still broken into sevens, so it's going to be 7 and 6/7. Sevenths. Can't say that very well. 7 and 6/7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's going to be 8, because we've gone past 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4/7. And this will be 9 and 2/7. Okay, so number line, you've got to ask yourself the question first, how many segments, how many bits are on my number line? Okay, that's your denominator, and then you got to include the whole and count how many spaces along it is. Okay, that's how you'd answer that.